The diagram shows part of the graph of y equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. By drawing a suitable line, use your graph to find the estimates for the solutions of y of x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. P is a point on the graph y equals x squared minus 2x plus 3, where x equals 2. Calculate the estimate for the gradient of the graph at the point P. So there is quite a lot to do here, I think. So we can start with this equation, x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Now this equation, we have to make it look like the one for which the graph they have given us, that equation of the curve. So how can we do that? We can do that by manipulating the equation a little bit. So what we can write is x squared minus 3x minus 1. And how do I get to 2x minus 2x? I can get it by subtracting x. Sorry, adding x. If I add x, then minus 3x plus x would give me minus 2x. And then minus 1 and plus 4 should give me plus 3. So I should write here plus 4. And then that would equal x plus 4. I have to take it away again, otherwise I'm altering it. So now then this bit, we will solve it. We will solve this. So x squared minus 3x plus x would give you minus 2x. And then minus 1 plus 4 would give you plus 3. And that equals x plus 4. Now you see this is already y. This thing is y. So I can write y equals x plus 4. Hence this is my equation of the line, the suitable equation. So this is the equation of the line. Okay, so once we have that, the equation of the straight line would be y equals x plus 4. So I have to draw the line now. So to draw the line, I need some points. Now x plus 4 means the y-intercept is 4. So it would cut the y-axis at 4. This is 4. That's where it cuts. Now we have 4. Now if I put y, so when x equals 0, y is 4. What is when y equals 0? X will be minus 4. So the other point is minus 4, 0. So that is minus 4, 0. And then we need another point. And if I say x equals 1, then y equals 5. So 1, 5 would be the third point. So 1 would be here and 5 would be this. So 1, 2, and this would be 3, this would be 5. So then 1, 5 would be here. So I bring in the ruler. So that's 1, 5 here. So then the line would be somewhat, to draw the line, be somewhat like this. So that would be the line. Now I have to find the solution. So I have to find the points where they would cross the x-axis. So to draw straight lines, so that would be somewhat one line, and that would be the other line. So you see where it cuts the x-axis is, this is 3, and that would be somewhere around 3.5, a bit less than 3.5. So if I say this would be 3.3, and then it's 0, that is 1, it's not, it's less than 0.5, and it's negative, so it will be minus 0.3. So and um, to find an estimate where they would estimated solution. So the estimated solution would be, that's the part A. So the answer to part A, estimated solution. So for the equation would be x equals 3.3 and minus 0.3. So those are the solutions for x. The next part is saying where they would find P is a point on the graph where x equals 2. So to bring in x equals 2, that's the point where x equals 2. So I have to draw the tangent. So I don't know how accurately I can draw it, but that's the way I'll do it. So the tangent goes this way, that's the tangent, that's the point B, and that's x equals 2. So now if I have to find the gradient would be, so this is this bit. Now that, where does it cut the y-axis? It cuts the y-axis at if I have to, that is 3. So this would be 3, cuts the y-axis at 3. So the y coordinate would be 3, and the x coordinate, y out of x, or that would be this one. So that is 3 divided by this much, so 2 minus 0.5, so that would be 1.5. So our gradient would be 3 divided by 1.5, 30 divided by 15, and that is 2. So the answer is, calculate an estimate. So my estimate, you can get better ones, but my estimate using the graph I have is 2. So the estimate with the gradient is 2, and that I get by 3 divided by 1.5. And I think that's all the question answer.